We only have one Earth, and we're growing as a community and as a nation and as a world.
Moab gets visited by millions of people, so we have the opportunity to lead by example and bring together a community that is thriving.
The bakery has part of a building that was the post office and has a flat roof, which is an amazing place to collect solar from. So the bakery made a decision a number of years ago and installed a 25 kilowatt solar system, which equates to 78 panels. There's enough energy produced during the day to compensate for all of the bakery's electric needs.
KZMU has a 60-panel array, which generates a little over 25,000 kilowatt hours a year, which is just to say that our entire station is almost completely run by solar.
A considerable amount of the energy that's consumed by the local government here in Grand County is generated from wind power as well as solar power. So we've led by example, and that's what we've tried to show to the community.
I think people that come here can see what, if Moab can do it, maybe we can too. Small places and small governments and small cities can really provide great solutions for the greater good.
We were the first in the United States to be a green power community. We led the way, and I'm proud of that. That was quite an accomplishment.
I'd say looking at Moab as being an isolated community and a small community is a short statement. We're actually a worldwide community. We're seeing tourists come in from around the world. So we're meeting those challenges of a high flux tourist base head on. And we're meeting those with great accomplishments. So we're not the tiny little community that's been left behind. We're the little community that's going to lead the way.